Today we're playing Magic Balloon Story.
Alright, hey everybody, this is Peg and Ray, and today we're playing Magic Balloon Story. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Where are we going?
Let's go to the bus, okay?
Okay, where's the bus?
Follow me.
Okay.
I'm your best friend, and I
I know you're my best friend. Come on, best friend.
So we tried to do escape
Come on, best friend, let's go to this
but
one.
it didn't work because
I don't know. We just went very well.
no, because we're playing this game. Okay, let's go. Wait a minute, it's not working.
Let's go over here. Come on, best friend.
Oh, it's broken.
How's it broken? You think everything is broken?
I don't think you can get in the game.
Why?
Because you can't get in.
Why don't we get in?
I don't know. I should leave the game for you. Go in the game, okay?
I'm in the game.
Go on the balloon. Go on the balloon.
I'm trying to go in the balloon and it won't let me.
Should we play a different game? A different story game, please?
Probably.
Okay, go on this part, okay?
It's saying hop on, hop on. Okay, I would love to. Okay, let me just hop on the balloon. Let me in the balloon. Did you get in?
Yeah, I got in. I don't know how you can't get in. Can you leave the game and play a different game? Not letting you work, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Let's play a different game. Well, oh, you got in?
How?
Oh my god, you were in!
How?
I was so happy you were in. Yeah, so, come on, let's get in. How are you not getting in?
I'm in. That's just. It won't let me go anywhere.
Can we leave the game, please?
Yeah, let's leave the game.
Alrighty, okay. Sorry, buddy. This is not meant for mommy.
Yeah, obviously it wouldn't let me in.
I could go in, right?
Yes.
I'll just find out games. I'll pick let's play airplane story,
Okay,
okay?
go.
Let's play airplane story. Sorry, buddy, it didn't work. It was not meant for my best friend. Okay.
Okay.
I'm coming. Okay.
Let's
go. Let's play. Okay. Go on the left side. There's two players.
Payday?
Yes.
Let's
This
go.
is not the same. This is a different.
Alright, here we go.
It might be a little different sitting than you. That's fine.
You come sit by me. You're my best friend.
I can't jump on you. I can't jump. I can't next to
Oh, yeah, I
you.
can get up here. Alright.
Yeah.
I'll just wait then.
It's kind of like take your story and our way. And everybody, I forgot to tell you something. I forgot to tell you something. So when I was playing vacation story, I said just like daycare story, but I realized that it came out before daycare story. Sorry, miscommunication.
B13.
Okay, let's go to that. Okay. Go to yours and I'll go to mine. Okay.
Okay.
17. 17. The how? What does that even mean?
There's an I7.
Oh,
Go
I7.
7. Go to 7.
E, F, G, H, I. Alright, are you on it?
Let's see.
I'm on a seat. Take a look at my seat. I'm on a seat. Everybody. We were currently flying on an altitude 3,000 feet above sea level. We will escape no time of our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane.
Okay, I might get up. Okay.
Never mind. I thought we could stay in the thingy. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the restroom. Don't tell me how to buy Robux to go to the restroom. I'm not doing that. See, I ain't doing that.
I ain't doing that.
I ain't buying Robux. You pay to go to the restroom.
Yeah.
I like this. I like to explore this. Oh my god, I found scissors. Now please find your seat where we are. We're about to cross the area of high turbulence, okay?
Okay. I'm trying.
Okay, I'm back at my seat. You remember your seat, right?
Yeah.
Yay! I'm back at my seat. Whoa. Bet some people died from that turbulence.
Yeah.
Thank you for your cooperation. You didn't say what I thought. Oh, his dad is lost. I know. Is this the episode where his dad was lost and he came back? I know what happened. He had to leave for the milk.
Oh.
He said, I'm going to the store and get some milk. hell was that? Is this the meme where he says the hell was that? He is literally. Hello everyone, this is crew members. Focus on the game. They were delivering delicious sandwich. Enjoy. Sandwich. Give me a sandwich. I got sandwich.
Yeah, me too.
But maybe it might be poison, right?
I think it's fine.
I'm not sure, but what?
Ooh.
You like the sandwich? Mate, what? I'm allergic to mayo. What? Come on, we didn't find the message. Hello, Colin. Oh no. Quickly. We find Teddy's the best package for the message. Oh my god, where is the message? Where? I found it. Good job. I don't know why I took other story games. Anyways, that was a close one. Go back to our seats, okay? Okay. I'm so glad I didn't eat the sandwich. I'll try a little, okay? I actually like mayo.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. I'm not allergic to mayo. My best friend is. Probably. Anyways, let's go. Okay. I love this stuff.
Yeah, me too.
This isn't even a bag.
Wow.
There's no monster.
Not yet.
Not yet, though. Remind me, boss. You see? What is he? Nostalgia stuff you like? Good night, Ratchet. Congratulations, you have to go. Go ahead and go to sleep, okay?
Okay. Whoa, what's happening?
I knew
It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it.
Nope, there's any monsters. Captain, there's about to be monsters.
Yeah.
I bet the captains are not gonna believe them.
How's it? Uh-oh.
Now look who's on the right. Go on the right. Monster! What the hell was that monster?
Yeah.
I noticed that.
Whoa.
There might be a cookie. Someone's dead.
Whoa.
Are those snakes?
I'm getting tired of these mother trucking snakes on this mother trucking plane. Oh, I know, I'm joking. I'm jumping. I'm fine.
Bird. But there are snakes on the floor. You know that means good. I don't want but there's a snake in the floor. What did she say? What does Bart sound like when he's screaming? What does sound? Tell me the truth. What does it sound like? Tell me.
There's a restroom.
Do you remember?
I can't see anything again.
You can't even. Oh my god. You are.
Where's the bathroom?
I'm on the bathroom.
Where is the bathroom?
Okay, are you? All because you did.
The bathroom.
I'm in the bathroom.
Where is the bathroom?
Oh my god! I missed it.
Oh, ow! Okay.
Oh no, my best friend!
Well, I'm not really dead. This is ridiculous. Okay. Alright.
Bye. Oh well. I'm playing this game by myself, everybody. Well. Oh well. Thanks for watching to yours, right?
Yeah.
I'm so lucky. Bathroom. Anyways, go ahead. To you, okay? Here you go.
Will you avenge my death?
Yes.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
Alright. Hey, yo! Shakes are gone, thank God. Your attention, passengers, I have good news and bad news. What the fuck is the bad news? The good news is the power is back up. Good. What's the bad news? Bad news is that we are losing the scientific amount of oxygen. I need oxygen masks will drop from your seat. Please take one quick. What did you drop? Thank you. I put on my oxygen mask, okay? Whew. Mask on. 4 years ago, be like. Look. Actually, not really 4 years ago, be like. I'm just saying that everyone wants to do it. See if safe from establish the oxygen levels. Keep your nostrils closed. Some people don't like being shot. Oh!
I've never made that music before. Whoa, I'm falling! At least I destroyed the whole freaking building.
Oh my god! What is this? It looks like a bomb. Why do I have a bomb on me? Why did they choose me? Jerk! Dude, get the bomb off of me! Okay, everyone, calm down. Ow! How much go down on it? There's no action like this! It's the red one! It's yours or the red one? Wait, oh yeah, there was a scissors. Smiley, save my life! Smiley, Sonic! You trust me! Red one, touch the red one! See ya, suckers! Bye, bitches! I'll see you in hell! Should I continue or not? Thanks for watching, everybody. It didn't work. Should we play another game?
Yeah, we'll play.
Like, subscribe. I died.
I died.
Rest in peace, psizzlez100.
I got into my station, but hey, you went out like a champ. You blew up.
Well, everybody, Peggy won't be here for another story game.
Yeah, we'll see
We're
you
gonna play
next time.
another game.
Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.